Hello students, this is a Maths worksheet 46. This is a new chapter, chapter number 11, Algebra. Algebra is very important when we find a known quantity of value. Dear students, you all know that now unlock 5 is open. So you wear mask, follow physical distancing and maintain hand hygiene. Wear mask. Wear mask properly. Follow physical distancing. Stay at least 6 feet from others. Maintain hand hygiene. Wash your hand frequently, always with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Remember, do not touch your face and do not share food or drinks with others. Now we will start from introduction. In this chapter, we will study new branch of mathematics known as algebra. Besides the arithmetic symbols or numerals and signs for the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, algebra also uses letters from various alphabets like English, Greek, etc. These letters are used either to generalize results or to represent unknown quantities and are known as letter symbols. Use of letters to denote numbers. In arithmetic, we have studied that 7 multiplied by 0 equal to 0, 12 multiplied by 0 equal to 0, 3 multiplied by 0 equal to 0, and so on. In the other words, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. This statement can be rewritten briefly by using letters as x multiplied by 0 equal to 0. Here x represents any number, thus the arithmetical statement any number multiplied by 0 equal to 0 can be written by using a letter a as follows. Here any number, here we put a here. So a multiplied by 0 equal to 0, where a represents any number. In algebra, here we find a known quantity. So here we take an alphabet as a place of a number, because here we find a value of a known quantity. Here it should be noted that in place of letter A, any other letter can be also used. Like as a place of A, use X, Y, Z and other alphabets also. Now literals. The letters which are used to represent numbers or replace numbers are known as literal numbers or simply literals. Important note, from now onwards, unless otherwise stated, instead of saying x represents a number, we shall simply say x is a number. Similarly, for y represents a number, we shall simply say y is a number, and so on. Basic operations on literals and numbers. Literals and their combination with the numbers follow all the rules of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers. Now, addition of literals. Properties of addition of literals. Since literals are used to represent numbers, therefore addition of literals obey all properties of numbers. Here we list the properties of addition of literals. Commutativity. For any two literals a and b, we have a plus b equal to b plus a. Here the same rule apply, same as arithmetic. Associativity. For any three literals a, b and c, we have bracket a plus b bracket close plus C equal to A plus bracket start B plus C bracket close. The same rule we use in arithmetic. Now identity. For any literal A, we have A plus 0 equal to A equal to 0 plus A. Here 0 is known as the additive identity. Now example, illustration, write each of the following phrases using numbers, literals and the basic operation of addition. The first example, the sum of x plus 3. The sum of x plus 3 write as in algebra x plus 3. Second, the sum of x plus 5 added to y. First we add x plus 5 and after that we add y. Subtraction of literals. Commutativity and associativity of subtraction are not true for literals. As they are not true for literals, as they are not true for numbers. Illustration, write each of the following phrases using numbers, literals and the basic operation of subtraction. The first example, decrease x by 7. So here we write in a solution x minus 7. Now example number second, x less than the sum of y and 7. So here first we add y plus 7 in the solution and minus x. So here we write bracket y plus 7 bracket close minus x. Now multiplication of literals. Properties of multiplication of literals. Commutativity. A into B equal to B into A. Same as we use in arithmetic. Associativity, bracket A multiply by B bracket close multiply by C equal to A bracket start B multiply by C bracket close. Identity, A multiply by 1 equal to 1 multiply by A. Distributivity of multiplication over addition. For any three literals A, B and C, we have first A multiply by B plus C equal to AB plus AC, and the second bracket B plus C multiply by A equal to BA plus CA. For example, here the first example, 5 times x. In algebra we write 5 multiplied by x or 5x. In arithmetic, if the same question 5 times 2, so in arithmetic we write 5 multiplied by 2, but in algebra we write 5x. The second example, 3 times x is subtracted from y. So here 3 times x means 3x subtracted from y means y minus 3x. So here we write in a solution y minus 3x. Division of literals. For example, first quotient of x by 4 is added to y. Means here solution we have quotient of x by 4 means x upon 4, quotient of x by 4 added to y means x upon 4 plus y. So here this is the example of division of literals. Now students, here we will solve some examples related to chapter number 11, Algebra. Now here the first example, if the cost of one notebook is 10 rupees, find the cost of x notebooks. So here the cost of one notebook equal to 10 rupees, because here first we write the given details and after that we solve the question. And the cost of X notebook dear students, in these type of questions in arithmetic we simply multiply the cost of one notebook by the total notebooks. So here the total notebooks is X and the cost of one notebook is 10. So here we multiply. In algebra we apply the same rule. So here we multiply total notebooks multiply by 10 rupees. So here we get 10x. So the cost of X notebook equal to 10x. The next question, write each sentence as an algebraic expression or equation. So here we learn how to make an algebraic expression or equation. So the first example, the sum of 6 and a number. So here in a place of a number we take any alphabet like A, X, Y, etc. So here the sum of 6 means 6 plus and a number. So here we take a number, in a place of number we take a X. So the sum of 6 and X equal to 6 plus X. Now the example number 2. Now the example number 2, the product of a number and 3/4. So here product of a number, in the place of number we take a X here. So here the product of a X and 3/4 means 3/4. So X multiply by 3/4 means 3/4. So here we write 3/4 into X or 3/4x. So here we write X multiply by 3/4 as 3/4x. So here the product of a number and 3/4 is 3/4 into X, 3/4x. Now the third example, 10 more than a number P. So here 10 more than a number P. So here P plus 10, because 10 is more means add with P. So P plus 10. Now here the next example, example number 4, 5 taken away from Z means 5 is take away from Z. So here we write Z minus 5. 5 take away from Z. Here we take the another example, the same example in arithmetic, like 5 taken away from 10. So 5 is taken away from 10, so 10 minus 5 and we get 5 here. So same as 5 taken away from Z, so Z minus 5. Now the next example, example number 5, number X less than a number 4. So here number X less than number 4 means 4 minus X, because X is less than 4. Dear students, in this exercise I give some questions related to our discussion. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you students.